Welcome to the USA English Podcast. I'm so glad you're here. Let's practice together.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Erica and Marco, your friendly space for building confidence in English. I'm Erica.
And I'm Marco. Hey Erica, how are you doing today?
You know what, Marco? I'm actually feeling amazing. I've got so much positive energy today. What about you?
I'm doing all right, I guess. But honestly, I struggle to find the right words to describe my feelings in English. I usually just say, okay.
Oh, Marco, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Feelings and emotions in English.
Yes, because sometimes I experience something really intense inside, but I just can't find the right English words to express it. It's so annoying.
You know, that frustration you just described, having emotions but no words for them, that's actually really common, even for native speakers sometimes.
Really? That makes me feel a bit better already.
And by the end of today's episode, you'll have so many fresh ways to describe exactly what you're feeling. Not just good or bad, we're talking real, natural English emotion words.
I'm already getting excited. Let's jump in.
But wait, before we start, if this podcast is helping you improve your English, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, turn on notifications, and share this with a friend who's also learning English. We release a brand new episode every single day just for you. Okay, now let's talk feelings.
Yes. So, Erica, why is it so important to talk about feelings in English?
That's a great question. Feelings are everywhere. At work, at school, with friends, with family. If you can't express how you feel, people won't really understand you, and that can feel pretty isolating.
Wow, yeah. Sometimes I just say, I'm fine, even when I'm not, because I don't know what else to say.
Exactly. I'm fine is like a closed door. It ends the conversation. But when you say, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed today, that opens the door. People want to support you.
Overwhelmed? You mean when too many things are happening at once?
Perfect. Overwhelmed means you have so much going on that you feel like you can't manage it all, like your brain is a phone with 100 apps open at the same time.
I feel that way every Monday, honestly. Mondays are super overwhelming.
Okay, so let's begin with the basics, the core emotion words. Happy, sad, angry, scared, surprised, disgusted.
Oh, I know those. But is that really enough?
Not at all. Those are just the 6 basic ones. Think of them like primary colors, red, blue, yellow, but when you mix them, you get so many more shades. Emotions work the same way.
Oh, so happy is like yellow, and there are many different shades of yellow?
Exactly. You're a natural, Marco. So instead of just happy, you can say excited, thrilled, overjoyed, relieved, content, grateful, cheerful, or proud.
Wait, what's the difference between happy and content?
Ooh, great catch. Happy is like fireworks, big, explosive energy. But content is like a warm cup of tea on a rainy day, quiet, peaceful, and satisfied.
Oh, I love that. I think I feel content a lot, not just happy. I never had a word for that before.
That's the beauty of learning emotion vocabulary. You start understanding yourself better too.
Wow. Okay, what about the sad side? Because I know more than just sad.
Yes. So instead of just sad, you can say heartbroken, disappointed, lonely, homesick, gloomy, down, blue, or devastated.
Devastated? You mean like really, really sad?
Yes, devastated is like your heart dropped to the floor and shattered into 100 pieces. It's a very strong word.
That's powerful. And here's something interesting. Blue and down are much gentler, right? Like, I'm feeling a little blue today means you're a bit sad, but nothing too serious.
Exactly, like a soft kind of sadness.
Soft sad. I like that. Okay, now I want to ask about anger because I feel angry sometimes, but I don't know all the different levels.
Oh, this gets really interesting. There are so many levels of anger. There's annoyed, that's the smallest, like when someone talks too loudly on the phone next to you.
Yes, that's super annoying.
Then there's frustrated, when something isn't working and you're losing patience. Then irritated, then angry, then furious, and then the biggest one, livid.
Livid. I've never heard that word.
Livid means so angry that you can barely speak. You know that moment when you're so upset your face turns red and you just go completely silent?
Oh, yes, my mom does that sometimes. Now I have a word for it. She's livid.
Just don't say that to her face, though.
No way. I'll keep that word for my private journal.
Smart move. Okay, now let's talk about the nervous and scared family because people mix these up a lot.
Yeah, I always say I'm scared for everything, even before a job interview. But that's actually nervousness, not fear, right?
Exactly. Scared is more like when a spire suddenly jumps out and your heart stops. That's scared.
Oh, so scared is sudden?
Usually, yes, but nervous is more like when you know something big is coming and you feel butterflies in your stomach beforehand.
Butterflies in my stomach? You mean that weird fluttering feeling inside?
Yes, that's actually an idiom. Butterflies in my stomach means you feel nervous and excited at the same time. Your stomach feels all fluttery.
Oh, that's such a cute expression. I had that feeling before my English test last week.
That's classic butterflies. And there's also anxious, which is like nervous, but it lasts longer. You feel worried even when nothing bad has happened yet.
You mean worrying about things that might happen in the future?
Exactly. Anxiety is like your brain is playing a movie of all the bad things that could happen, even when everything is perfectly fine.
Oh no, I think I feel anxious a lot.
A lot of people do, and having the right word helps. You can say, I'm feeling a bit anxious today, and people will understand immediately.
Yeah, that feels much more honest than just saying, I'm fine.
Okay, Marco, I want to share a personal story with you. This actually happened to me when I was at your level in English.
Oh yes, please tell me.
So, I was at work, a new job my first week, and my manager asked me in a meeting right in front of everyone, how do you feel about this project?
Oh no, in front of everyone?
In front of everyone. And my mind just went completely blank. I wanted to say, I feel nervous, but also excited, and I'm worried I might make mistakes, but I really want to try. That's a lot of feelings at once, right? But in that moment, all I could say was, I feel okay.
No way, Erica.
And my manager just looked at me and said, just okay? And I wanted to disappear under the table.
That's so painful. I can totally relate.
But here's what changed. That night, I went home and wrote down everything I actually felt. And I found the words: nervous, excited, uncertain, hopeful.
Uncertain, you mean not sure?
Yes, uncertain means you're not sure about what's going to happen. It's not necessarily bad, it just means you're in a new situation.
I like that word. It feels more honest than saying scared.
Exactly. And hopeful means you believe something good might happen, even when you're not sure. So you can be uncertain and hopeful at the same time.
That's the thing about emotions. You can feel more than one at the same time. That's totally normal and completely human.
Yes, you won't believe how much I needed to hear that. I always thought I should feel just one thing.
No. Humans are complicated. You can feel relieved and sad at the same time, like when a difficult exam is finally over. Relief, but also worry about the results.
Oh, yes, that's exactly how I feel after every exam. I never knew there was a word for that combination.
Now you do. Okay, let's do something fun. I want you to imagine a situation.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine you've been waiting for a job offer for 2 weeks, and finally your phone rings. It's the company. What do you feel right before you answer?
Nervous, excited, a little bit scared.
Yes, that combination actually has a name. It's called anticipation. Anticipation is when you're waiting for something and your feelings are a mix of excitement and nervousness.
Anticipation. Oh, I like that word. It sounds big and important, but the feeling is very everyday.
Exactly. And here's another good one, relief. After you answer the phone and they say, you got the job, what do you feel?
Relief, like a heavy weight falls off your shoulders.
That's a perfect description. Relief is when something you were worried about finally turns out okay, like putting down something really heavy.
Oh, I feel relieved just imagining that.
Me too. Okay, let's talk about some really useful everyday phrases, because knowing the words is one thing, but putting them in a sentence is another.
Yes, that's the hard part. So instead of I'm happy, you can say, I'm in a great mood today. I'm on cloud 9. I'm over the moon.
Wait, on cloud 9 and over the moon? You mean very, very happy?
Yes, both are idioms for extreme happiness. On cloud 9 means you feel so happy it's like you're floating. Over the moon means you're absolutely thrilled.
Those are beautiful expressions. Can I use them in daily life?
Absolutely. Imagine a friend asks, "How was your birthday?" And you say, "I was over the moon. It was the best day ever." That sounds so natural.
Okay, I'm writing these down. What about when you feel sad? Any useful phrases?
Yes, instead of just, I'm sad, you can say, I'm not feeling myself today. I'm a bit down. I'm going through a tough time.
Not feeling myself. You mean you feel different from your normal self?
Exactly. It's a gentle, soft way to say you're not okay without going into too much detail. Very useful when you don't want to explain everything.
Oh, that's so practical. I'll definitely use that.
And for anger, instead of I'm angry, try I'm a little frustrated right now. That really got on my nerves. I'm at my limit today.
Got on my nerves. That's for the annoying phone call guy, right?
Yes, exactly. That loud phone call really got on my nerves.
Perfect. I can use that right now in real life.
And here's one more very useful phrase. I have mixed feelings about it.
Mixed feelings, like a combination of emotions.
Yes, it means you feel both good and bad about something at the same time. For example, if a friend moves to another country, you're happy for them, but also sad to lose them nearby.
Ah, that's a beautiful but sad feeling at the same time.
And now you have a phrase for it. I have mixed feelings about it. Very natural, very honest.
Erica, this episode is giving me so much. I feel like my emotional vocabulary just doubled.
That's the goal. The more words you have for your feelings, the better you can communicate, connect with people, and feel understood. It's like having more colors to paint with.
Before, I only had black and white.
Oh, Marco, that's beautiful. Yes, exactly. More words, more colors.
Okay, can we do a quick review, just the keywords?
Of course. Happy family, excited, thrilled, content, grateful, relieved, overjoyed. Sad family, heartbroken, disappointed, lonely, gloomy, devastated. Angry family, annoyed, frustrated, irritated, furious, livid. Nervous and scared family, anxious, nervous, uncertain, fearful. And the idioms, on cloud 9, over the moon, butterflies in my stomach, got on my nerves, mixed feelings, not feeling myself.
Wow, I remembered all of them. I'm so proud of myself.
I'm proud of you too, Marco. That's gratitude and pride, two very important emotions.
Oh, this is so good. I think our listeners are going to love this episode.
I hope so. And listeners, here's your little homework for today. Think about how you feel right now in this moment. and try to use one of today's words to describe it. Not fine, not okay, a real word.
Yes. Are you content? Are you relieved? Are you a little anxious? Tell us.
Leave your answer in the comments below. We read every single one. Tell us how you're feeling today, and use one of today's emotion words.
And if you want more episodes like this, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and share this with someone who needs more English in their life.
We are here every single day. A new episode, a new topic, a new step forward in your English journey.
We're so happy you're here with us.
And remember, don't just say I'm fine. You're better than fine. You're learning English every single day.
I love that. Okay, everyone, until tomorrow. Keep speaking, keep feeling, and keep growing.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you tomorrow.